parked your car somewhere you feel really uneasy about, but you really need to make it to that meeting with a client. Where's your car? Is it on 6th Street? Could it be 7th? Or maybe you didn't see that sign. Yeah, that sign. There's a lot of unexpected things that can happen to you in your vehicle.
So don't you wish there was a way to record 24/7 and be alerted when an incident occurs? Waylens introduces the Secure 360, a camera that can monitor and record a full 360-degree field of view so you know what's happening in and around your vehicle no matter where you are. When the camera's sensors detect motion, impact, or even a change in GPS coordinates, Secure 360 will immediately notify you through the mobile app and simultaneously record video to the cloud. So even if this happens, you'll have peace of mind and evidence if you need it.
Protect your vehicle with the Waylens Secure 360 camera.
The TrueLux light system simulates natural sunlight to show more color variation, more detail, with more accuracy. It's at the heart of every Simplehuman sensor mirror. Sunlight contains the full color spectrum, while most artificial lighting doesn't come close. With TrueLux, you can see yourself with perfect clarity. Now, the wide view sensor mirror can connect to your phone. Use our app to capture light settings from the world around you and recreate them in the mirror, so you can check your makeup in your favorite restaurant, in your office, or in bright, natural sunlight. The wide view sensor mirror from Simplehuman. See yourself in the best light.
Cleaning your house doesn't have to be a biohazard. Now there's Force of Nature, the safe, non-toxic way to clean. It transforms just salt, water, and vinegar into a non-toxic cleaner and deodorizer with the power of bleach, but without harmful allergens, irritants, or fumes. With just this one simple and kid-safe solution, you are now the Chicken Slime Slayer, the Diaper Pail Point Person, the Binky Whisperer, the PP Patrol, the Litterbox Brawler, the Sergeant of Soap Scum, the Stinky Shoe Savior, the High Chair Commander. And with the ability to clean sticky messes, odors, grease, and grime, all with a single non-toxic cleaner, you're a force to be reckoned with. Force of Nature. One bottle, one non-toxic, powerful clean every time.